Well, it's 25 to 12. Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. At attack points, napakababa talaga for the Philippine Navy. At ang Cagayan with 4. Cagayan naman having 18. Although itong Navy having 2 blocks and 2 service points, yung errors nila parehong minimal eh. Yung blocks mas mataas pa nga dito sa Philippine Navy, pero ang Cagayan just too many attack points in that first set, kaya naman na nakuha nila yun. Chisa at now playing for Cagayan Valley at ang unang nag-serve, medyo into the net. Laborte with 2 points, Cruzada with also the same number, Tipachot 7 and Eulalio with 5. Eulalio naman ngayon ang mag-serve dito for the Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. Napakalakas ng front line ng itong Cagayan Valley. Napasmile dun si Cruzadas. They take that last point. Laban lang. Itong Philippine Navy, once again, they will have to rely on individual skills. Like now, nandito na si Mikmik Laborte sa harap. At sigurado, mahihirapan sila, but pinadaan kay Cruzada, and Cruzada pushes that, but goes wide. So itong si Tabacero gets the ball and gets the point for Cagayan. Poor reception. Nebrida. Of course, Nebrida coming from UE. She's a Nebrida. Once again, better reception this time. At sayang. Yung quick attempt ng Philippine Navy. Philippine Navy having a new setter in Michelle Ann Simbahon. Laborte trying to go for the second ball, sending it wide. Well, Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Tabacero saving it. But Cagayan not getting that over. Benito with that error on the attack. Well, if it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Cruzada now on the line for the Philippine Navy. Pero error na naman sa serbisyo itong Philippine Navy. Aiza Maizo this time for Cagayan Valley at the same, parehong-pareho lamang. So, error din ang nagawa nitong si Aiza Maizo. Philippine Navy down by 2. Simbahon to Nebrida. Jonela and Saet, pareho sanang kukunin ang bola. Pero yun, hindi man nagkaagawan. Baliktad ang pangyayari. Nagkatinginan lamang at hindi na ibalik ang bola. Susan still on the line to serve. At eto na naman, napakarami lang errors dito sa set na to for the Philippine Navy. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Laborte, eto na yung connection na yan. Yung quick connection. Finally, nagtagpo na for the Philippine Navy. Mikmik Laborte to serve. Si Eulalio just using the knuckle to save that ball, pero ang puntos pa rin, mapupunta pa rin sa Philippine Navy. We are tied now. 7-all ang score natin dito. Philippine Navy against Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. Oh, beach volleyball ang dating doon ni Mick Laborte. Good block. And Chisa, it's swiping it and getting the point as we go to our first technical timeout of this game.
Ito ang Shakey's Open Conference.